birthday, so it's your time now to blow the cake. Yay! So guys, give way! Give way! Ayan, para makita ng lahat. Let's all together sing! Music, please!
Again, na ilapit.
Okay, nagmamadali daw si Leslie masyado. Hindi pa daw. Music, please. Akyat muna si Maymay. Maymay, we need you to go upstage.
Yung pink na lang kami.
Pa-pick up na lang ng gown. Hindi siya makakaakyat.
Dapat hawakan siya.
Okay, thank you very much.
Tabi ng ano sa may kandila. Pasok ng wag na. Yan.
May atras ka.
So, yung pati mong ilaw ah.
We're getting a Maestro natin. And all of us, let's all stand up.
Mapadim ng ilaw mo
Ayan,
ah.
to sing.
Ilaw po
Team
ba?
lights daw tayo mga best.
Ganda ng cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Put your hands together now, guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wow, naiiyak ka pa, Edward.
To you.
Naiiyak.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my mind. Make a wish. Huwag mo na siyang unahan, Edward, please.
Yay!
Happy birthday once again, Mai!
Sa cake mo, May.
Okay, yeah, picture taking muna sa kanyang cakes. Cakes.
Hello, Mas Carmen.
Okay, courtesy of Dexter's Cakes. Tama naman siya.
Ka, May dito din.
Birthday, Mai.
May dito din. Map dito din.
Ay, kay Kuya Pao.
Isa po ah.
Say thank you lang.
Thank you po, Star Magic Family.
Hi, Pogi.
Ayan, may moment si Maymay to enjoy her birthday cake. Alright.
Photo.
Say hi.
Hey!
Light year not water.
The same for her because that she stays the same. Because the way she is makes her happy as well. The way she is makes everybody happy.
Last 10
Just to
seconds.
stay the same.
For Maymay with the cake. 9, 8, 7,
Hi, guys!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mayward family, all together, let's all say our greetings to Maymay. 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday, Maymay! We love you! We love you! 1, 2, 3! Okay, ulit. Happy birthday, Manmay. We love you.